So welcome to all of you into the neuroscience session. So before disclosing today's topic, everyone please put your hand on your heart. Everyone,
Yeah.
please put your hand on your heart and tell me the answer of this question honestly. Have you ever slept in the boring meetings or the presentations or the sessions? कभी सोए हैं? Boring meeting चल
Yes.
रहा है, boring
Ma'am.
session चल रहा
Yes,
है.
yes,
Have
No,
you
ma'am.
ever
ma'am.
Yes,
slept?
ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes?
No.
Yes,
Guys,
yes, ma'am.
trust me,
Sometimes.
trust me. Yes, sometimes, including you,
Yes,
including
ma'am.
me also.
No.
Lot of
हम
time,
सो
ma'am.
जाते हैं.
Not
But
sometime.
हाँ, अच्छा, not sometimes. Okay, right.
Ma'am, feeling clumsy, but not like.
Yes,
But
yes, ma'am.
sometimes we are getting bored. But this,
No,
Bored,
no,
bored
ma'am.
feelings.
Feeling sleepy sometimes.
feeling sleepy. Very
Feeling
nice, very
sleepy.
nice. Yes, yes, yes. But due to the business prerequisite, we have to attend that meeting. We have
Yes.
to attend that session.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, boss will fire.
But
Yes.
why it is sleeping attitude? Because of the not interested in the
Yes, not
not
interesting
getting
in the
the
session.
Topic.
Yes, they are
not
not in
getting
that.
the charming of the session.
Yes. So, but Mr. Ghosh, we
Ma'am,
don't want.
when this session becomes long,
Children?
when session becomes long,
हाँ, सेशन
long
बिकम लॉन्ग. अच्छा, ठीक है, मेरे को इनडायरेक्ट सिग्नल आ गया कि सेशन अपना शॉर्ट कर देना. ओके मिस्टर शंकर, डेफिनेटली आई विल कीप माय सेशन शॉर्ट. बट वी रियली डोंट वांट कि दैट आवर ऑडियंस विल डू द सेम विथ अस. Suppose we are going as a speaker, suppose we are going as a presenter, suppose we are going as a communicator, right? We don't want that our audience will get sleepy in front of our eyes.
But right now, ma'am, we are student here. We have to be listen carefully.
You
because
have to
we
listen carefully, definitely, because
and
you
then
have.
we have to develop our
Yes, yes, yes. But now I'm coming to my topic. Why I have asked this question? Because my dear students, today I have taken one very interesting topic for you. And trust me, if you understand 50% of this topic, you can easily make your communication more interesting. More interesting.
Okay.
Right? So shall I
Yes.
start?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
More
Yes, ma'am.
interesting के साथ साथ मैं हमेशा एक वर्ड कहती हूँ more engaging. If you know the skill कि how to make your communication more engaging, trust me, your audience will never ever leave you. आपका टाइम खत्म हो जाएगा लेकिन आपका
That is the
audience आपको
attraction.
नहीं छोड़ेगा.
Like you, ma'am. We are enjoying your session, ma'am.
अभी तो स्टार्ट ही कहाँ करा है. चलो स्टार्ट
That
करें.
is the attraction of the speaker.
Yes, that is
Yes.
attraction. ठीक है, चलो start करें. Guys, see. The topic which I am going to share with you, that is not easy. That is not easy. Okay, चलो, let's start. And please maintain the decorum of the session, guys. If you really want to say something, definitely I will give you the time you can discuss with. So what is the topic's name?
It's not easy.
No. What is the topic?
Humor.
The secret
Humor.
source of great
Great
communication.
communication.
Humor. The topic name is humor. The topic
Humor.
name is
Humor,
humor.
the secret sauce of great communication.
Yes, very nice, Ajanta. The secret sauce of the great communication. Right? Humor. Humor सबने कहीं ना कहीं सुना होगा. Ankit, can you tell me what do you understand by humor? कभी कहीं सुना है ये word humor?
Most of the time, ma'am, every day we are listening.
Okay. Ankit, please maintain the decorum. Yes, Ankit.
Most of the time we heard from like some other persons, but it's not correct actually.
अरे अंकित सिंपल भाषा में समझाओ what is humor. Simple, be simple. अंकित क्या मतलब समझते हो humor से?
We can laugh others, ma'am.
We can laugh on others.
We can no. Oh, we can make laugh others.
Yes. Very nice. We can make our audience relax. We can make our audience smiling, relax, tension-free, smiling, laugh. Sometimes, yes, laugh. Laugh मतलब simple little smile. ऐसे नहीं ठाके मार के हंस रहे हैं. No, we have to maintain the professionalism also. So humor का मतलब है how to make our communication more enjoyable, how to make our communication more engaging. That is called the humor. right? So this is a secret sauce of the communication. So guys, are you ready to learn
Yes,
the
ma'am.
secret recipe of this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, still many students are very much serious, guys. Don't be serious. Don't be serious, okay? And
What
this
is the
is a
meaning of
skill.
sauce?
हाँ, सीक्रेट सॉस, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ एक आई कैची नेम दिया है so that it can retain into your mind. बहुत वो डिफिकल्ट नेमिंग, राइट? यश, इज इट क्लियर? गौरी,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here sauce meaning?
सॉस,
Yeah, ma'am.
Just example.
एग्जाम्पल है सॉस. सॉस
Okay.
नहीं डालते हम टू मेक. देखो, व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग सॉसेस. सपोज करो आज घर में सब्जी बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं बनी, तो व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी जस्ट टेक सम केचप,
Sauce, yes.
बिकॉज टू मेक
Okay,
आवर
okay.
फूड मोर
Yes,
रेलिश,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
राइट?
अच्छा,
Yes, yes.
सेम, हाँ, अच्छा टेस्ट करने के लिए.
Yes.
सपोज
You-
करो घर में तोरी की सब्जी बनी है, नहीं अच्छा लग रहा, करेला बना नहीं अच्छा लग रहा, so what we can add, we just make the help of the sauces or maybe the spices. That is also this humor.
Okay.
If you know your communication, you are very you are using very fancy vocab, you are using idioms, phrases, and your language is like the Shashi Tharoor, like done. But still you are not able to impress your audience, you are not able to engage your audience.
Awesome sauce, ma'am.
हाँ, तो मतलब there is some lacuna into your communication. And what is that, Sumit? किस चीज की कमी है फिर communication में? That is a humor. Humor की कमी है, इसका मतलब है भाई idioms मुझे आ गए, मुझे phrases आ गए, मुझे grammar आ गया, जितना मुझे बोलना है, that is okay. But still my audience doesn't want to listen me. तो कहीं तो कुछ ना कुछ तो कमी है बॉस. वो क्या है? हमारा humor. Right? And humor is like a skill, guys. Humor is a skill. Like for example, driving. Driving is a skill, Prashant.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
बचपन से तो नहीं सीखा था driving. It is a skill.
Yes,
You have to acquire this. Swimming. What about swimming?
Skill.
Again, it is
Skill.
a skill.
It is also skill.
What is cooking?
It is also
It
skill.
is also the skill. ठीक है, कोई हम बचपन से सीख के नहीं आए हैं. We have to do lot of practice. Driving भी अगर देखोगे, so definitely we did lot of practice to learn the skill. Same goes with the humor, guys. Humor is also the skill. So this is not a 1 day or the 2 day. कि you just learn this skill within 1 or 2 days. Okay? Chalo, let's start. So what is humor? Yes. Ketal, can you read this?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, please repeat that once again. Hello, ma'am.
क्या repeat करना है? What
Ma'am,
should I
please
repeat?
repeat that the meaning of humor in Hindi. Ma'am, humor का meaning.
हाँ, मेरे को
Ma'am,
इतना इंग्लिश
humor
समझ
का
आता
meaning
है. हाँ,
हिंदी
मुझे
में.
इतना इंग्लिश
वो
समझ आता है.
नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा तो सुनाई नहीं दिया ठीक से.
Okay. Although I'm going to record the session, you can also do the recording. Basically, humor का मतलब समझो, humor is a skill. Humor is a ability to make the things in a more funny or the amusing way. And what is the purpose of the humor? Humor lightens the mood. Suppose you are attending one meeting and you are in a very great tension, you are in a stress. But if you know how to inculcate the humor into your talk, you can easily release the stress. You can make your communication more enjoyable. That is the purpose of the humor. Okay? I'm not saying that you want to become a Kapil Sharma. आपको एक stand-up comedian बनना है. No, that is a different concept. बट ह्यूमर का मतलब होता है सिर्फ आपको अपनी कम्युनिकेशन को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना है, एंगेजिंग बनाना है, स्ट्रेस फ्री बनाना है. दैट इज द ह्यूमर.
Yeah, ma'am. I got
Like
Yes, ma'am.
Akshay Kumar is an epitome.
हाँ.
He adds humor in his live, all those concerts and shows and everything.
Yes, humor. Yes, I also included, but not Akshay, Sumit. Okay, let's see. So what is the role of the humor? What is the role of the humor? The first role of the humor is break the ice. Break the ice. Mr. Ghosh, what do you mean understand by break the ice? Break the ice.
Pardon?
मैम कुछ ऐसी चीज करना जो आपने कभी ना देखी या फिर कभी ना की हो.
जो आपने कभी ना की हो.
Breaking the barrier.
Okay, no.
Madam, may I tell?
भी तोड़ना. Yes, okay. Yes, Rajan.
Break the ice means to talk with someone who is sometimes a new person.
Who is sometimes a new person.
To
Ma'am.
start the conversations.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay. Meenakshi.
Yes, ma'am. Start the conversation.
start the conversation. Yes. So basically, break the ice का मतलब होता है to break the awkwardness. To break the awkwardness. ठीक है? And make the environment friendly. And make the environment friendly. That is called the break the ice.
It's an idiom, no, ma'am? Break the ice.
Yes.
Yeah, that idiom is a different thing. Break the ice. Okay, so break the ice. हाँ, break the ice को हम Morgan we can say कि that is an idiom. लेकिन break the ice का मतलब क्या होता है? Break the ice का मतलब होता है to break the awkward silence. Now my question is how the humor helps in breaking the ice. Suppose I'm taking one example. Suppose I entered or you entered into a room. You entered into, suppose you have to take one meeting or you have to take one session and you entered into the one meeting room and there is a complete silence into that room. So being a human being, what is our normal psychology? We just entered into the room and we got very nervous and immediately we say, what happened? There is so much silence into this room. Or ये भी नहीं पूछते, we just entered into the room and then we just start कि hi, my name is this and this. Now I'm going to deliver one session on this and this topic, right? But instead of that, what you can say, you have to use the humor. You have to use the humor. Suppose you entered into a room where there is a silence, complete silence into that room. You just entered, you just take a pause and see your room from 180 degree, and then you can say, are we entering, or you can say, am I entering into the meditation session or this is a meeting? मतलब मैं किसी meditation session में आया हूँ जो इतना complete silence है या still there is a meeting going on? Okay, so that is break the ice.
For example of Subhash Karthik sir entry.
Yeah.
Subhash Karthik sir's entry is like the break the ice.
Break the ice. Yes. To make your मतलब entry engage. You can say जैसे एक हमारा उरी का dialogue है ना, how is the Josh? How is the Josh? Very popular dialogue. How is the Josh? You can ask. This is also the break the ice. Suppose everyone is sitting like this and this. So yeah, you can say by raising your voice, how's the Josh? And thanks for joining. And if the audience will respond, so then you can say thanks for joining this session. Okay, then you can say, right? Second आता है हमारा capture the attention. Second role of humor क्या है? Capture the attention. Capture the attention. What do you mean by capture the attention?
Gaining the attention.
Gaining the attention. Yes, gaining the attention of whom? You have to capture the attention
The
of
audience.
of your audience. Right? Because if and how the humor helps, humor plays a very important role in capturing the attention of your audience. Because humor, what the humor does, humor creates the emotions. Humor creates the emotion. And once you are able to create the emotions, you can easily capture the attention of your audience. Like for example, suppose I have to take one session. Suppose I have to take one session. So being a normal person, what I can simply say, formal person में क्या कहूँगी? Okay guys, please listen me very carefully. This is very important topic. This is my normal version. Everyone does that, right? But how to inculcate the humor in this thing? So what you can say instead of this thing, okay, please listen me very carefully. This is very important topic. What you can say, hey guys, please stay with me. Maybe this session will change your life or at least your mood. Are you Yes. So what you can say, please stay into the session. Maybe this session may change your life or at least your mood. And smiling is one of the biggest asset. You always have little smile on your face while you are inculcating the humor into your talk. You cannot be so serious while you are using this humor. Right? Build a rapport. What do you mean by build a rapport?
Build relationship.
Interaction with
Build relationship with someone. Okay, and what is the purpose of building the relationship? To build the trustworthy relationship. To build the trustworthy relationship. To make the environment in a trustworthy manner. That is called build the rapport. Now, how the humor helps in this thing? Humor कैसे help कर सकता है इस केस में?
to get the confidence.
नहीं, but confidence ठीक है, very nice, confidence ठीक है, and you can easily suppose I'm taking my example. I'm trying to reduce my weight since long. Okay, I did yoga also, I did gymming also, I did started walking also, but nothing was going to be happen. Then I tried, चलो भैया कुछ नहीं हो रहा. Then I hired a dietitian. ठीक है, dietitian was very expensive, but still I hired a dietitian because I really want to work on my physical work. Okay. But you know the dietitian, she has given a long list, do's and don'ts. You have, and once I read the diet plan, so what I had seen, no carbs, no sugars, no fried items, no maida, nothing. To be very frank, I was not able to reduce in grams. Forget about the kgs. Okay, but definitely I hired a dietitian. So next week again I have to go for the follow. And when I went to her clinic, so when she measured my weight, she was in a very angry mood because I was not able to reduce in grams. But somehow I don't know why the environment was not friendly for me. I was not able to open up with her. What the challenges I'm facing. I'm not able to stick on my diet. And my dietitian was so annoyed and she was continuously saying, Komal, you have to cut the carbs, you have to cut the sugary item, otherwise nothing will going to be happen, blah, 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 blah. And suddenly one line came from my mouth, मैम क्या करूं जब भी छोला भटूरा देखती हूं ना तो दिल कहता है जा सिमरन जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. And trust me, when I spoke these lines in front of my dietitian, she listened me very carefully. And there is a little bit smile on her face, which I felt. ऐसा नहीं है कि she has changed her direction. But yes, once I said these lines, this is also the way of humor. Punchlines. इसको हम बोलते हैं punchlines. So in this way, जो environment था of that clinic, that shifts from negative to positive.
Right.
Positive. Okay. So she understood me ki okay, what the challenge is. Then I said ki ma'am, I working in this organization. Sometimes I didn't get the blah 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 blah. Then she just listened me and then she again made one diet chart. So that is called building the rap. और उस building the rap में मैंने क्या use करा? Punchlines. Punchlines is also the part of the humor. Got it?
Yes.
Got it? Abhi, right now I tell you ki how you also can inculcate and what are the different techniques you can use to inculcate the humor into your talk. Encourage the people to open up. Suppose you are taking a session or suppose you are taking a meeting and your team members are not giving the response. So then you have to encourage the people. कैसे हम encourage करते हैं? Suppose we are taking the online sessions. तो गौरी हम कैसे encourage करेंगे अपनी audience को?
Ma'am, with our like attractive speech, unique speech.
अरे गौरी कौन सुनता है इतना यूनिक स्पीच? कोई नहीं सुनता, किसी के पास टाइम नहीं होता है.
Ma'am, ask some questions
Some
by
questions.
asking. Yeah.
Okay, very nice.
To interact with the people, audience.
But Hetal, again, it is your logical brain, guys. Humor is a right brain activity. Humor is our right brain. Acha, I forgot to share this thing. Humor is a right brain skill.
Taking others in confidence, madam.
Yes, Shankar?
Taking others in confidence. Taking others
Thinking out of the box. So then you can say, hey guys, please don't sit like mummies. Or you can say, guys, this is not a Netflix show. So please unmute yourself and start speaking. Okay? So then you have to use this thing. Reduces the tension, definitely. If you are coming up with the humor, sense of humor into your talk, it reduces the tension. Have you heard this?
Tension
Dr.
and seriousness.
हाँ, seriousness को reduce करना है. Suppose करो your child is not getting the good marks, enough marks in his or her exam. Being a parents, what we can say, अरे पूरे साल तो पढ़े नहीं हो, marks कहाँ से आएंगे? ठीक है. और अगर कोई पेरेंटल होगा जो who is a very good parenting, जो अभी कुछ पेरेंटिंग का कोर्स करके आया है, और maybe the parent is getting some motivational speeches, So then that parent will say, okay, no need to worry, just do hard work. Definitely you will do better in the next time. Okay. But child will not listen, especially the teenagers will not listen all these things. They already know. So then how the humor you can say, have you heard the dialogue of Three Idiots? एक थ्री इडियट का
Yes,
बड़ा
yes.
अच्छा डायलॉग है क्या है वो
All is well. All is
all
well.
is well all is
All is well.
all is you
Don't
can
worry,
say
all
that.
is well.
Yes, don't worry, all is well, but definitely you have to do good efforts.
Next time better.
Yes, so all is well. बच्चे को कुछ नहीं याद रहेगा कि do efforts or next time you can do everything. Only the child will remember all is well. All is
To encourage.
to encourage the student. Okay. Messages delivered are more memorable. If you are delivering, if you are using the humor, so whatever the messages you are delivering, that retain into their mind forever.
In a positive way.
In a positive way. In a positive way. I always use this type of punchline, especially in my session. Suppose the students are coming late. Suppose I'm taking the 9 p.m. batches and the student is coming 9:20, 9:25. ठीक है उसको पता है कि भैया मैं लेट हूँ 20 से 25 मिनट आई गॉट लेट स्टूडेंट को भी कहीं ना कहीं टेंशन रहता है कि सेशन के एकदम से मैं बीच में आ रहा हूँ बट ही कैन नॉट से एनीथिंग ओके सो देन आई नेवर एवर से कि व्हाई यू आर लेट व्हाट हैपेंस टू यू नो मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ बहुत देर कर दी मेहरबा आते आते राइट बहुत देर कर दी मेहरबा आते आते मेरा मैसेज जो स्टूडेंट तक चला गया है
In English?
In English, I don't know. I always use
Double tone,
English and
ma'am, we
Hindi.
can say.
Okay.
Double tone.
In English, ma'am.
In
don't
English,
know
Lata,
Hindi.
you can just use the chat GPT. Okay. I don't know what is a Hindi, but I will use. Okay.
Ma'am,
बहुत देर कर दी मैं हाँ
we
yes
can say
Anshul.
that you are very early for the next class.
Yes very nice yes Ajanta is a real example of my class right so these types of punchlines these are the good punchlines देखो whatever the message I want to deliver instead of saying कि why you are so late you don't know what is the timing of the session you have just we have just covered the half of the session okay no need to worry you just go and see the recording this is a way right but if I will say in this way na to message definitely will be delivered to the student and definitely the student will take in a very positive manner and he or she will always take care of the timing from the next class
Feels encouragement.
हाँ encouragement बस encourage करना है हमें किसी को demotivate नहीं करना because guys see we are all the humans so sometimes it happens sometimes up sometimes right I always say the life is like a roller coaster sometimes up sometimes down you should know
Life.
you should know
Life
how
is
to
good.
manage okay done Mr. Dharam it is okay Mohammad Rakif Minakshi Tejas are you guys getting Tarun
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Consider it done, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes okay Mr. Om Prakash
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes हाँ तो also have some little bit smile now this is a humor okay and
Yes,
smile
ma'am.
is one of the asset okay guys so this is an activity 1 okay so do I send into the activity 1
Icebreaker.
icebreaker this is an icebreaker session
Introduce yourself.
देखो मैं बता देती हूँ इसका प्रैक्टिस करना एक बार घर पे this is an icebreaker session what is this कि that you have to introduce yourself so in this activity what I will do कि I will send you into the breakout room pairing पे I will send you into the breakout room but and in that case you have once you entered into your conversation room you have to introduce yourself suppose Nirmala wants to introduce with the Mr. Patil okay now how the Nirmala will say hi Mr. Patil I am Nirmala I am from Delhi and what is your profession Nirmala
I am as an accountant, madam.
okay and the Nirmala say कि I am an accountant okay this is a simple Hindi.
I'm a homemaker.
I'm a homemaker, I'm an accountant, I'm a teacher, I'm an IT profession. Now my question is, why the Mr. Patil or maybe Lata or anyone will love to listen? क्यों वो सुनेंगे? आप कहाँ से हो, कहाँ से नहीं हो, कोई उनको जॉब ऑफर नहीं करनी, कोई कुछ नहीं करना. So this is an activity कि that you have to introduce yourself in a humorous way. Like for example, suppose करो मेरे को पवन मैं आपका एग्जांपल ले रही हूँ. Suppose करो पवन मेरे को आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करना है. The way is that, hi Pawan, I'm Komal. ठीक है, लिटिल बिट स्माइल वो रहती ही है स्माइल, ठीक है, तो यू ऑलवेज हैव स्माइल ऑन योर फेस. हाय पवन, आई एम कोमल एंड आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली एंड आई एम अ मास्टर कम्युनिकेशन कोच एट IIT. This is my
Introduction.
introduction. ठीक है,
Normal.
नॉर्मल इंट्रोडक्शन.
Normal.
ठीक है भाई, हाँ ये है वो है, ठीक है, बट इसी को मेरे को कैसे बोलना है? हाय, ओके राजेंद्र आपसे दे रही हूँ. हाय राजेंद्र, आई एम कोमल गुप्ता फ्रॉम दिल्ली दिल वालों की एंड आई एम इनटू द प्रोफेशन वेयर आई कैन मेक द मम्बलर्स इनटू द मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स. बात वही कही है मैंने, ठीक है. आई ओनली से दैट थिंग, बट उसको जो मास्टर कम्युनिकेशन कोच को क्या बोल दिया? आई एम इनटू द प्रोफेशन वेयर आई कैन मेक द मम्बलर्स इनटू द मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स. So definitely in this way you can create the curiosity among the minds of your audience. Okay, although I didn't get too much time to do this activity, if the time allows, so definitely I will do this activity with you. Okay, because there are right now 45 students. I don't know now after this activity how many will left. So इसलिए I don't take the risk because now I have the good enough number. Okay. But you got it? Ki what is this activity? If the time allows, definitely we will do this activity. So this is an icebreaker session. Okay. So next is, as I already told you,
We
human.
did this activity, ma'am, in this session, previous session actually.
Yes, Kishan?
We did this activity.
You did this activity?
Yes, I think this is our bonus session, that's why.
अच्छा, हम तो पहली बार मिले हैं किशन.
नहीं, this is
नहीं
first
मैम,
time.
ये पढ़ा था ना, ये सीक्रेट सॉस वाला मुझे लगता है आपसे ही पढ़ा था हमने.
हाँ, आज का ही पढ़ा था, आज का ही मैंने अपना फ्लायर
नहीं,
पोस्ट.
आज का ही नहीं, आपने पढ़ा है, मुझे लगता है कि पहले आपने ही पढ़ाया था.
अच्छा, wow,
I
very
don't know,
That
but
means,
I know something.
okay. Now,
but this is first time I am doing your class.
yes.
I too, ma'am. First time.
Right. चलो start करते हैं. Now, guys, as I told you, humor is a right brain activity.
Right.
Okay, so humor is a right brain activity. So definitely, if you work on your humor, so you would be more imaginative, more creative. So if you really want to develop this habit in yourself, you have to develop your right brain. Right brain. You must be emotionally strong. Because if you are emotionally strong, you can easily grasp the attention. You can easily create the
Ma'am, how can we
emotions.
practice to develop our right brain?
Kishan, that is a different topic. Okay, that is a different topic, but I can only tell you how you can develop your right brain if you really want to inculcate this humor.
Yeah.
Okay, humor. I'm only stick to humor. Otherwise, right brain is a very vast topic. Okay. Now the practical applications of humor. Now this is very important, guys. How to activate your right brain if you really want to inculcate humor into your behavior. So first आता है, देखो guys, there are the three types of communication. कौन से होते हैं? Three types के
Witty,
communication.
one-liner.
अरे यार, ये तो दिख रहा है. अब बताओ, what are the three types of communication?
Verbal and non-verbal.
First is verbal,
Verbal,
non-verbal,
Verbal, non-verbal,
and writing.
written communication. Writing नहीं
Written
बोलते,
communication.
written communication.
Written communication, yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है, so there are the three types of communication. If you really want to use this humor into your behavior, you have to work on these three communication. Verbal communication. What do you mean by verbal communication?
Speaking.
Speak to me.
Yes, speaking.
By using words. Yes, the communication which we use by using the spoken words. What is non-verbal communication?
Body language,
gesture.
Body language,
Eye contact,
Body language.
body gesture,
ठीक है, और written
sign language
you
also.
have to
right
use
to
the
not.
writing. Okay,
Right.
now I let you know कि what comes under the verbal communication. So red color से देखो, I have marked there the three points. There are the three techniques which you have to work. First is the witty one-liner, second is the playful teasing, third is the exaggeration. I repeat, first is a witty one-liner, second is a playful teasing, and third one is the exaggeration. Okay, so these are the three, we can say, the techniques if you want to improve your humor. Now, Bhupesh, what do you mean by witty one-liner? Bhupesh, can you read this?
Yeah, ma'am. It is a short, clever, and humorous remark.
Yes, it is a short, clever, and the humorous remark. छोटा छोटा सा एक remark होता है, short, clever remark होता है. ठीक है? You must be very clever in that thing. Aware, बहुत ज्यादा आपको aware होना चाहिए. एकदम on the spot आपको बोलना है. Like for example, I have written some examples. Suppose, maybe you are not in a mood to do anything. Okay. So most of the time, what we have to do, suppose Narendra, I'm taking your example. Suppose Narendra, today is Sunday. Forget about the Sunday. Today is Monday, and you don't want to do anything. So majorly, what you will speak. Suppose your wife or maybe your kids are asking, "Okay, let's go to some mall and anything." So what you can say, Narendra? Yes, Narendra Kumar.
Yes, madam.
हाँ, क्या कहते हो आप कि today I'm not in a mood to go anywhere. Today I'm very tired. I don't want to go anywhere. Right? Most of the time we say in this way. Right?
Yes.
Most of the time we say in this way.
Normal.
But what is our task? That we have to use some humor. So then you can say, suppose maybe your spouse is saying that you always feel tired. You don't want to go anywhere with me. So then in that case, you can say, no, I'm not lazy. Or you can say, no, I'm not tired. But today I'm on the energy saving. Okay, getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Today I'm on the energy saving mode. मतलब वही है कि भैया मैं बहुत थका हुआ हूँ, मैं कहीं नहीं जा सकता, मॉल तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं जा सकता. But don't say in this way. You can say
in place of negative, we are saying
don't say na negative.
Yes.
ठीक है? कहने का मतलब है you also say कि भाई today I'm not going anywhere, but in a very positive aspect. कि today I'm very no, I'm tired, but today I'm on the energy saving mode. Okay? Next.
Yeah.
Yes. Next. Prashant, can you read? Next.
My wallet is like an onion.
Onion. हाँ.
Whenever I open it, makes me cry.
Yes. अब इसका सिंपल वर्जन क्या होता है कि I don't have money in my wallet. I don't have money in my wallet. ठीक है? Suppose your wife is saying कि चलो let's plan for shopping today. Most of the time what the husband say, no, I don't have money in my wallet. Okay? Simple version. What is the humorous version? Oh, my dear, whenever you just see my wallet is like an onion. When I open it, it makes me cry. मतलब क्या है कि भैया पैसे नहीं हैं, but you have to say in a humorous. Okay? Now,
way of talking, no, ma'am. That's it.
yes, way of talking also plays a very important role. So I tell you. Okay? So next is the playful teasing. Playful teasing का मतलब होता है, हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं खेल में चिढ़ाना, थोड़ा सा ना खेल में करना. For Lata, for you, light jokes in a friendly way. Whenever we have to put the light jokes in a friendly way, that is called the playful teasing. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, many of you have switched off. Guys, those who have switched off their camera, just show me the virtual thumbs up whether you guys are getting this concept or not. Dr. Arnab Ghosh, Bhavesh, OnePlus, Shushri, please just show me the virtual thumbs up. Gulab, Sina. So playful teasing का मतलब होता है light jokes but in a friendly way. Like, ठीक है? Now you can read. I have written some playful teasings. Yes, Yash, can you read it?
Yes, ma'am. You are a
Yes,
limited.
Yes, Yash.
You are a limited edition. Thankful only one piece exists.
Only one piece exists. ठीक है? जैसे हम कहते थे ना, अरे सिर्फ एक आप ही बने हो. तो in a humor way. You are the limited edition. Thankfully एक ही बने हो. You are only the one piece exist on this whole universe. You can also add something. You are so late. Don't say you are so late. Never ever say you are so late. You can say you are so late. Even tomorrow was waiting for you. Okay? So voice modulation also plays a very important role while you are using humor into your talk.
Okay.
Exaggeration. Exaggeration. Manjushri, what do you mean by exaggeration?
I'm so hungry. I could eat an elephant.
Okay. Manjushri.
Hyper.
I'm so hungry. I
Okay,
could
there are
eat
two
an
Manjushri,
elephant.
yeah? Okay, I got confused. Okay, exaggeration का मतलब होता है किसी चीज को बड़ा
बढ़ा चढ़ा
हाँ,
चढ़ा के बोलना।
किसी चीज को
Hyperbolic
बड़ा
name है?
हाँ,
Hyperbolic.
hyperbole,
Hyper-
very nice. Hyperbole,
Yes.
hyperbole, very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Exaggeration का मतलब होता है बड़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना। ठीक है? Suppose your child is coming after the school, right? And your child is saying कि Mama, I am so hungry. Please give me some food. मम्मा अच्छा उठते हैं, देते हैं, करते हैं. But if your child is saying, Mama, I'm so hungry, I could eat an elephant. If we will speak in this way, देखो elephant नहीं खा सकता भाई बच्चा क्या कोई भी नहीं खा सकता. But if we will speak in this way, so definitely we will, मतलब हम कहीं ना कहीं we will pay more attention to that person.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is called the exaggeration. That is also the part of the humor.
Normally, we are
Ma'am,
saying,
Hmm.
I am so hungry that my stomach is crying.
Yes,
Red-
very nice, Mr. Ghosh. Excellent.
Reds, ma'am, reds are running in my stomach. Reds are running.
Rats are running in my stomach. Very good. I could eat an horse. That you can also say.
Yeah.
Okay, that you can also say. Next is this is very relevant because my son was using this type of. Mama, you know my math teacher is so strict. So I always say, so what? Our math teacher, my time also, my math teacher was very strict. So what is new? So then he all, Mama, you know my math teacher is so strict. Even the calculators are afraid of her. Okay, so once that's why I have penned down this statement in my PPT. Okay, so once he spoke this line in front of me, so जैसे अभी ओम प्रकाश के एक हंसी आई थी ना, सेम मेरे पे भी हंसी आई थी. Once he spoke this line in front of me, और जब बच्चा बोलता है थोड़ा सा उससे, so definitely it giggles. ठीक है? So that you can use this exaggeration. बड़ा चढ़ा के. So verbal communication में what are अच्छा आप guys see you are all from the different profession, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you can do, you know everyone know the chat GPT? Everyone
Yeah.
knows the chat
Yes,
GPT,
little bit.
right?
Yeah, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Yes,
So
yes,
what you
ma'am.
can do, guys, you use the help of the chat GPT and you can write, hi chat GPT, can you just give me, first you have to write your profession. कि I am from this and this profession and I really want some good witty one-liners. So ChatGPT will give you some good witty one-liners according to your profession. So that you can use into your profession.
Yeah, ma'am.
Right? Same goes with the playful teasing. Same goes with the exaggeration.
Yes.
Because you cannot use the same punchlines everywhere. Right?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is the way you can use. This is a way you can use this. Okay? Done? So what
Yes.
are the three techniques? First is a witty one-liner.
Witty
Second is
one-liner,
Witty
playful
one-liner.
Full
the
teasing.
third is the
That is exaggeration.
Exaggeration. If you are facing problem
Exaggeration.
at the time of
Exaggeration.
pronouncing any word, take the help of Google Assistant. उस पे डालो mic है, उस mic से सुनो. As number of times you can listen that word, you can easily get that. Next is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication means your facial expressions, your smile, your eyes. Have you seen sir? Sir, अपनी eyes कभी if you will give, I have noticed earlier, not now because I didn't get too much time to attend the sir sessions, but at my time also na, whenever we are giving some answers and that is not acceptable, तो sir का जो eyes होता है वो पूरा रोली पोली, पूरा 360 degree पर घूम जाता है. That is also the humor. So your eyes, your facial expression, your silly gestures, all comes under your non-verbal communication. Sometimes you say, shh, shh, shh. This is also the humor. This is also the humor. Sometimes we are saying yes, ये जो thumbs up करते हैं, that is also the humor. Sometimes we are saying no, thumbs down. That is also the humor. Right? So you have to voice modulation. Voice modulation plays a very important role. Some noise, Tejas. Tejas is so much busy. Huh, Tejas?
No, ma'am.
तेजस, वो चक दे इंडिया का एक डायलॉग था ना, वो शाहरुख का, ये 70 मिनट मुझे दे दे। मैं सिर्फ तुमसे 30 मिनट मांग रही हूँ
खुदा भी
तेजस।
तुमसे छीन नहीं सकता मैं।
तेजस, सिर्फ 30 मिनट दे दो। Only give me 30 minutes. ठीक है? So please mute yourself, Tejas. Okay. Right, done.
Yes,
Written communication में you have to use the writing part. Sorry. You have to use the writing part.
in communication.
ठीक है?
Yes.
So I will share this PDF. You can also use how to use this. This is a witty text which frequently I use more. So especially whenever I go into my workshops. So students are always asking me, ma'am, what is next? What is next? So I always say, this is only the trailer, my dear students. Picture to abhi baki hai mere dosto. So if you really want to come for the further training, you have to enroll into our advanced program. So picture to bhi baki hai mere dosto. Kya hai ye? This is also the humor.
Humor.
This is also the humor. And Lata, please don't ask what is the English translation. Okay? Jokes apart, Lata.
Ma'am, this is Taylor.
This is
Taylor.
only the
Taylor.
Taylor.
Yeah, yeah.
तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्तों.
Yes.
So guys, whatever the native language you have, you can use, because देखो guys, see, English is okay, but if we are using if you are using 10 humor, so I'm not saying कि 10 humor you must use in English. Sometimes you have to use into your native language. Why? Because if you are using your native language, you can create more connection.
मोदी है तो मुमकिन है.
Sorry?
मोदी है तो मुमकिन है.
क्या है?
मोदी है तो
मोदी है तो मुमकिन है.
मोदी है तो मुमकिन है. अच्छा,
मोदी
okay.
है.
Yes.
मोदी है तो
मोदी जी
मुमकिन
का
है.
Our prime minister.
Although I'm not talking about any politics, वो, लेकिन जब भी मोदी जी स्टार्ट करते हैं, मेरे प्यारे मित्रों और बहनों, मेरे भाइयों और बहनों, जैसे ही वो
भाइयों
लाइन
बहनों.
आती है, एकदम से हमारे माइंड में आता है, भैया अब तो कुछ होने वाला है. Why? तो जैसे ही वो ये लाइन, that is
नोटबंदी
also
है,
the
सब
humor.
कुछ में पहले ही ऐसा बोला था.
And that is also the humor, because in this way they are easily grasp the attention of the masses. Okay?
सुभाष कार्तिक सर है तो मुमकिन है.
हाँ, very good. IDQ है तो मुमकिन है, sir है तो मुमकिन है. Now guys, I really appreciate if you just mute everyone, because I really want to play this. Who is he?
सलमान खान. शाहरुख खान.
शाहरुख खान मैम.
SRK.
ये
From Bollywood.
ये अभी ओम के ऊपर ही है. Please listen. शाहरुख खान is, I think सुमित ने कहा था Akshay is also good, but I think Shahrukh Khan has a best sense of humor.
Yes, true.
Best sense of humor. Okay, so please listen him very carefully how he use the witty lines. Witty line इसने कैसे use करा है, please listen. Okay, done? Shall I play?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One last question this side. One last question, Salman this side. Sorry, Shahrukh this side.
Where are you speaking from?
Shahrukh this side. यहाँ, I'm literally sorry because Lipika here. I'm literally sorry.
Don't worry, Deepika. Sorry.
Let me come.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Deepika. I'm extremely sorry.
So what do you have analyzed from this video?
He said Deepika.
हाँ,
That lady said Salman Khan.
Yes, that lady said Salman by mistakenly. Okay, she
Yes,
said
yes.
yes, Salman. Okay, twice times she said Salman.
Salman Khan.
But how the Shahrukh gave the answer in a witty way. Shahrukh didn't say anything. उसने सिर्फ क्या करा, जब उसने सलमान का शाहरुख कर दिया, शाहरुख ने क्या करा, दीपिका
Deepika.
कर दिया. हाँ, that lady got the message. That lady got the
Presence
message.
of mind, ma'am.
Yes, that lady got the message कि that भाई brand name जो है, that is very important. So you cannot
Must.
say, जैसे अभी ओम ने करा था, ओम also said Salman,
Yes.
right? So this is the witty liners. These are the witty liners. That you convey your message to the person, but in a very positive, in a very diplomatic, in a very manipulative.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, guys, now this is the practice. Now, what we will do, I have given some formal versions. Okay. I have just written some formal version. Suppose mobile phone restrictions hai. Most of the time, what is a formal version? We say, hey, you are requested. Suppose you are taking a meeting and your team members start using the mobiles. So being a team leader, being a project head, what we can say, you are requested not to use the mobile phones during the meetings, during the sessions. Right? Right? We say this thing. You are requested not to use the mobile phones.
normal way.
हाँ, normal है, normal है. ठीक है? Do we really think so? कि if we will say to our team members or this, ठीक है, they will listen, but they will not take you very seriously. Or maybe they got hurt. अगर Gen Z आपके अंडर है, suppose a Gen Z is doing working under you, तो Gen Z तो किसी की सुनते ही नहीं. Right? So आपको क्या बोलना है? You have to. Now my question is how to use humorous words for this statement. Okay, Meenakshi. Yes, guys, please raise your hand. Yes, Meenakshi, please mute.
Ma'am, as I'm a teacher, can I
Yes. You take your students' example. Huh.
Okay. Hello, students. Focus here. Phone will help you pass. Okay?
Okay, phone will not help you pass. Okay, okay. Well tried, Meenakshi. Well
Ma'am,
tried.
may I?
Yes.
Please switch off your beloved thing.
Please
Switch off your beloved thing.
beloved things. Okay, very nice, Tolly. Very nice.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
more. Guys, please speak. Don't think so whether I'm right or wrong. नहीं
Can I
हंसी आएगी,
try?
नहीं हंसी आएगी, हम खुद हंस लेंगे.
Could you please make it mute?
Ma'am, can I try?
Please make it mute. Okay, well, right, very nice. Yes, Sumit.
Am I not looking good? Why are you looking at your mobile phone?
Oh, very nice, very nice. Excellent, very nice, Sumit.
Excellent.
Very nice, guys. This is a way. देखो, guys, I always say this is a right brain. This is a right brain thinking. So everyone has his or her own perspective. No one is wrong. No one is right. Sometimes it happens that maybe the students are not enjoying. Let it be. But you have to start doing the practice. Don't go with the perfection. कि बोलेंगे तो तभी जब पूरा ठाका मार के हमारी audience हंसेगी. No, that time will come. But
Never come.
you have to do lot of practice for that.
Yes.
Can I improve it?
Yes, please.
Hey, am I not looking good? Why are you looking at your mobile phone? Look at me.
Look at me. Yes, very nice. But Sumit, threatening way
Ma'am, I
नहीं
have
बोलना है.
also one of them. Ma'am,
हाँ.
I have also one. It's like goodbye your love for a while.
Okay, very nice.
Say goodbye for love for a while.
Yes,
Like that.
very nice. So what I have
A
written.
little bit try.
Yes, very nice, Kishan. So what I have written, देखो, I'm saying nothing is wrong, nothing is right. So everyone has his or her own perspective. So what I have written, give some rest to phone. It also deserves some rest. Okay? So give some rest to your phone. Okay? It also deserves this. Like Rata, Mr. Shankar?
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, so sorry. I didn't add the animation. So, okay, chalo, let's do. Chalo, call a meeting. Suppose karo you're calling a meeting. Formal version kya hai? Please come prepared for the meeting with all the relevant information. You are the project leader and you are conducting a meeting. And you are telling to your team, please come prepared for the meeting with all the relevant information. Okay, the team will listen you and the team will say, अरे यार boss का एक और बुलावा आ गया. Now we have to go and attend the meeting. Okay, so but what you can say, meeting में ऐसे मत आ जाना जैसे surprise test होगा, थोड़ा सा पढ़ के आ जाना. Okay, so in this way you can say, right? Lata,
Yes,
you just take and you just use a ChatGPT and translate. Okay, but you can use, right? So this is the, okay. Okay, so you can use, guys. I always say, even you can use a English. Do you
No,
know
we
English?
can say to ChatGPT that behave like a human, not
Behave-
like the behave means write like a human, not like a machine.
Yeah, Mr. Colton, in that case, you just write down ki, hi ChatGPT, give the humorous version of these statement in an emotional manner. Because देखो, what is the difference between a computer and the human emotions? सिर्फ emotions की कमी है. Otherwise, the computer can do each and everything. But still, the computers cannot replace the humans. The only thing is that emotional connection.
Okay.
So if you write the chat GPT with this good prompt, please add some emotions. So definitely you are getting the response as a human is saying. Getting my point?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Technical issues. Suppose some technical. Nirmala, suppose some technical issue is there. Formal version क्या है? We are facing the slight delay due to the technical difficulties. ठीक है? Normal, formal way क्या है कि we are facing slight delay due to some technical difficulties. What is the humorous version?
All the engineers are on the sleep mode.
Very good, very good,
Yeah.
very good. Rinku Moni, would you like to try? You have very good smile. हाँ? Smile के साथ ही start करो, कैसे बोलूंगी? Just try, just try. I really like, who has told this? Engineers are sleeping?
Sumit.
Sumit, Sumit, बड़ा sense of humor जबरदस्त है. Yes, Darshan. Darshan, you are thinking a lot. क्या इसमें think करना है इतना? Use करो right brain. देखो right brain theory है, लेकिन unless and until if you are not using, वो theory ही बन के रह जाएगा. अंकित,
कंप्यूटर को भी ब्रेक लेना चाहिए मैम.
कंप्यूटर को भी ब्रेक लेना चाहिए. Okay, very nice. We are okay. Humorous version. Okay, Meenakshi, yes, you can speak, dear.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I, ma'am?
We are facing some problem क्योंकि बड़े-बड़े देशों में से छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
है. वाह, very nice, Meenakshi. Very nice.
Ma'am, flight wants to feed, ma'am.
Fly?
Flight wants to feed.
Flight wants to
Flight.
eat.
Feed.
खिलाना मैम, खिलाना.
Yes.
Okay.
खिलाना.
Flight, I'm not getting flight का मतलब क्या हुआ?
Flight, ma'am.
FLIGHT.
Flight.
Yes, ma'am. Flight.
Normally it is using during our flight.
अच्छा हाँ but
Yes.
but here we are talking about the हाँ ठीक है but ये मैंने जब लिखा
We
था
are-
तो हाँ I'm thinking about the computer.
Okay, sorry, ma'am. Yes.
No,
We
don't
are
say-
talking about computer.
हाँ but still okay. Dolly मैं भी कह रही हूँ but dear कि this is a right brain activity. Nothing is wrong, nothing is right, but yes, definitely you have to remember the context into your mind.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Sure.
so yes, Dolly, read it, the humorous version.
We are experiencing slight delay. Maybe our system decided to take a coffee break.
Yes, maybe our system decided to take a coffee break. The most of them who are working in the corporate culture, coffee break is mandatory. So you can use that in your.
Very true.
Ma'am, can we put this way? Sorry, my computer is on strike.
हाँ, sorry, my computer is on the strike, but कब तक?
Little
You have
bit.
to mention, हाँ, you have to mention till the coffee break is
हम
over.
maintenance.
हाँ, till the coffee break is over. नहीं, maintenance word मत use करो ना, वो again वो एक left brain हो गया. Left brain.
Yes.
Left brain. देखो left
For a
brain
while.
क्या है? What do you mean by left brain?
Drink in
Left brain.
Logical.
Logical.
Logical. Left brain कहता है जो
Logical
logical है वो बोलो
And
बस.
the
Logical.
right
ठीक
brain
है?
is
But right
creativity.
brain
Yeah.
is different. Imaginative. Creativity.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I try
Yes,
one
yes,
more?
yes, Hetal.
Yeah. Sorry guys, my computer is behaving like my girlfriend. She's upset. She's right now upset with me.
Right. But Hetal, again, in that case, now if you are using these types of words, love, girlfriends, boyfriend, now you see your audience. You have to take care of your audience. You cannot say
Okay.
these types of human in front of your boss.
Formal nature.
फिर formal नहीं चलेगा. Suppose you are talking with your colleagues, then it's okay.
It's
Then
okay.
it's
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So then you have to take care. You have to think about your audience. Who is your
Yes.
audience? Then you have to pitch accordingly.
Right.
Okay?
Ma'am, shall I try once?
चलो
Shall I try?
रुको अब सुनो अच्छा
Okay.
ट्राई अभी हम करते हैं. अच्छा सुनो,
Yeah, ma'am.
सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि only the normal public or maybe the celebrities, even if you see the big shots, celebrities, even our politicians, they use humor. They use humor. Like we have seen the example of SRK. Okay, now I am showing you one small video of Prime Minister Modi ji. Please listen, please, and please see the gestures also. Please see the gestures also. Lata, although this video is in Hindi, but you can just emphasize on the body gestures.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
But please mute everyone so that you can get the proper sound. Otherwise, now there is some lot of disturbance. Okay? Right? And please don't come with after this na. चलो अच्छा listen.
से बता रहा हूँ उनके लिए कहा जाता है यानी कोई बुरा मत माने क्योंकि आजकल ऐसा है कुछ भी बात बड़ा विवाद का विषय बन जाती है लेकिन बचपन में जो सुनते थे वो मैं बता रहा हूँ मैं मानता नहीं हूँ एक बार रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पर ट्रेन आई तो उसमें जो पैसेंजर था वो ऊपर के बर्थ पर था तो उसने बाहर खिड़की में पूछा कि भाई कौन सा स्टेशन आया है तो बाहर वाले ने कहा 4 आना दोगे तो बताऊंगा तो उसने कहा मत बताओ ये अहमदाबादी होगा और अहमदाबादी है तो बेस कैसे बनाना इसमें एक्सपर्टाइज होता है ये अहमदाबादी लोग एक भी चीज फालतू छोड़ते ही नहीं है धन्यवाद जी माइक दे दी क्या
मैथिली ठाकुर में
सुन के थक जाते हैं
बिल्कुल सर
अच्छा थक जाते हैं ना
नहीं
Okay, this is a lengthy video, so I just stop. So what you have observed, basically, what you have observed? क्या ऑब्जर्व करा इस वीडियो से?
मैम humorous with
yes the
humorous punchlining and
punchline.
Connect.
सबसे पहले yes
moving
Some storytelling also.
storytelling also, very nice storytelling also, and the smile was there, and we can say कि how he can easily relate with that person. मतलब उन्होंने अहमदाबादी है ये भी बोल दिया और उसके बाद अहमदाबादी क्या कर सकते हैं उनका पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट भी बताया।
positive
ठीक है और he was मतलब he is able to engage large number of audience. That's why Modi ji is very popular as a very good orator.
Very good professor.
He's very good speaker. He's very good orator.
Speaker, yeah.
Right? So these are the skills which
Another example, ma'am,
Hmm.
when he came back from China and he addressed the businessman that you have noticed that why I am here, come back from China.
Yes. So please
That is also-
listen. Acha, I will let you know at the end ki what I think Kishan has asked ki, how we can inculcate. So these are the same technique, and I always say listen some good podcast, guys. Listen some good podcast. Sudha Murthy, have you ever heard Sudha Murthy?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Sudha Murthy भी
I've
सुनो
heard this.
और सिर्फ सुनो मत guys पता प्रॉब्लम कहाँ होता है कि why we are not able to develop our right brain. Guys, see if you are the right brain actives, right, if your right brain is more active so you are blessed, guys, you are blessed, but 95% we are the नॉन राइट ब्रेन एक्टिवेटर्स. हमारा लेफ्ट ब्रेन है क्योंकि बचपन से हमारा ब्रॉटअप ऐसा हुआ है कि हमें यही पढ़ के जाना है, 12th में इतने % लेके आने हैं, कॉलेज में दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन हो जाना चाहिए था, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कर लो. दिस इज मतलब ये स्टार्टिंग से ऐसा ही हमारा हुआ है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आवर लॉजिकल ब्रेन इज मोर एक्टिव. Our logical brain is more
What
active.
is the exercise to enhance the right brain, man?
Right brain, Lata, I tell you, na, dekho, see. If you are asking about the humor, so listen some good podcast. Listen. And sirf not only the listening, definitely listening is very important skill because if you listen, so definitely it will retain into your mind. But I always say, if you are getting some good punchlines from the podcast, please pen down. Just make one diary or diary का एक अच्छा सा catchy, just assign some catchy name to that diary. And कोई भी any XYZ catchy name. Don't say sense of humor. No, it becomes a bore. So always give some good catchy name. Okay? Please pen down. If you listen podcast, if you are getting some good punchlines, please pen down. Pen down का मतलब note करो. Suppose you are traveling. The habit, the experience which I'm going to share with you, that was not with me earlier. Whenever I go for traveling के लिए, I was such a person who always gets sleepy. मुझे बैठते ही नींद आती थी. But once I tried कि whenever now, जब भी मैं travel करती हूँ, whenever I used to travel now, I always see the hoardings. I always see captions behind the trucks. बड़ी कभी कभार ना we got very good punchlines after the back side of the trucks.
Yes.
So just some good
पूरी
info
नजर वाले तेरा
also.
मुंह काला
गोरी नजर
हाँ ठीक है. अब guys अब क्वेश्चन आएगा. सपोज करो यश कहेगा अरे मैडम मैं तो ट्रैवलिंग के मूड से जा रहा हूँ, मैं कॉपी पेंसिल थोड़ी अपने साथ रख के बैठूंगा. So that what you can
Observation.
do, you just take the screenshot. अरे फोटो तो क्लिक कर सकते हो अपने फोन से. Just
Yeah.
जब भी आपको अच्छा सा कुछ वो दिखता है, पंच लाइन दिखता है, कोई होर्डिंग दिखता है, just take the picture.
Take the screen.
Take the picture and then you can pen down and then you can change the wordings of that hoardings according to your speech or the session.
Yes.
Right? That you can do. जैसे guys,
Ma'am, also we can pen down in audio form also, no?
yes. In which you are comfortable, guys. I'm sharing my example.
Yes,
Like for
because I
example,
am comfortable in this.
हाँ right. Like for example, एक हमारा ad आता था पहले, जो बीवी से करे प्यार वो प्रेस्टीज से कैसे करे इनकार. ठीक है. एक ad आता था.
अमूल का कैचलाइन अच्छा है.
हाँ नहीं जिसका भी है. देखो मैं आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग माय एक्सपीरियंस गाइस. एक लाइन एक ऐड आता था, जो बीवी से करे प्यार वो प्रेस्टीज से कैसे करे.
कैसे करे इनकार.
ठीक है. तो आई नाउ आई हैव शिफ्टेड दिस लाइन, जो आईडीक्यू से करे प्यार वो ग्रामर से कैसे करे इनकार. बिकॉज आई एम अ ग्रामर कोच इन आईडीक्यू. ठीक है. एंड समटाइम्स इट बिकम्स वेरी टफ फॉर मी टू अटेन द अटेंशन ऑफ माय ग्रामर स्टूडेंट्स इनटू माय सेशंस. तो आई हैव मेड दिस पंच लाइन फॉर दिस, जो आईडीक्यू से करे प्यार वो ग्रामर से कैसे करे इनकार. तो यू कैन यूज योर पंच लाइन्स ऑल्सो. बट उसके लिए यू मस्ट बी वेरी गुड ऑब्जर्वर.
Observation.
ठीक है. इफ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग थ्रू द मेट्रोस, इफ यू आर इन मुंबई, तो आप ट्रेन वगैरह से काफी ट्रैवल करते हैं, यू मस्ट बी वेरी गुड ऑब्जर्वर. यू मस्ट बी वेरी गुड, हैव अ वेरी गुड सेंस ऑफ अवेयरनेस. कहीं पर भी कुछ भी अच्छा सा टैग लाइन मिले, उसको स्क्रीनशॉट ले. Take the screenshot. Use it. Now we are blessed that we have the chat GPT. Take the help of the chat GPT. But in that case, you should know how to use a good prompts in chat GPT. Okay? So that you have to do. So listen the podcast. Second is
Pen down the things, punchlines.
observations. Whenever you see any hoardings, whenever you see any flyers, just note down and change accordingly. Clear?
Yes.
Use some good punchlines. Suppose you are watching the Kapil Sharma show. I'm not saying that you have to just copy and you just tell. No, just take any good one or two punchlines. If you
Gags.
if you are fond of comedian shows, ठीक है, stand up comedy देखने जाते हो, then you can also. So you have to take one Bible. जैसे Bible कहते हैं ना, Bible, you know what is Bible? ठीक है. एक अपना एक ह्यूमर का बाइबल बना के रखो.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
हाँ. So just make one Bible of humor with you. Initially, it will a great challenge because अभी we are not in a habit to speak, but gradually it will automatically come out from your mouth in a very humorous way. शायरी. If you have a good मतलब कहते हैं ना passion of शायरी, बहुत बड़ा नहीं कि पूरा 2 मिनट का तो शायरी सुना रहे हो, नहीं, 2 लाइन की, only use 2 lines. That is also plays a very important role. Punchlines, light-hearted jokes. These are all the techniques how to inculcate the humor into your behavior.
मैम जैसे आप आए बाहर आई.
हाँ. Yes. Very nice. आप आए बाहर आए. Very nice. Yes, मीनाक्षी.
मैम कभी कभी ऐसा हो सकता है कि हम जो ह्यूमर लाइन पंच लाइन बोल रहे हैं वो समझ नहीं आया मान लो ऑडियंस को, कभी ऐसा हो भी सकता है।
तभी तो उसके लिए मीनाक्षी अभी हम करते हैं डूज एंड डोंट्स।
यस
वी विल
Yes,
डिस्कस,
ma'am.
वी विल डिस्कस। ठीक है, तो यहाँ तक क्लियर है सबको?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
may I tell a शायरी में?
What you will tell?
शायरी।
हाँ बिल्कुल, शायरी बिल्कुल करो, लेकिन अभी एक बार मेरे को अपना सेशन खत्म करने दो, क्योंकि मेरा एक ध्यान तो सिर्फ घड़ी पे ही है, क्योंकि अभी
नहीं
46
ह्यूमर है मैम,
हाँ
ह्यूमर है उसमें।
बिल्कुल 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 यूज करेंगे अभी हम। ठीक है,
Yes,
और कभी ऐसा ना हो ना ये 46 की जगह 26 हो जाए।
yes, ma'am.
आई ऑलवेज
मैम
कीप
वो
एन
ये
आई।
बोल कर बता रहे हैं कि मैं ह्यूमर ला रहा हूँ अभी
हाँ
सेशन
right.
में।
अच्छा चलो चलो see although I will share this PDF so you can also go through with it. So this is that how to use a human in the professional settings. So I have
Yes,
used
ma'am.
two types of professional settings. One is those who are working in the office, and second one who are the teachers. Okay, so then you can also use your own. Suppose you have to show this PPT in front of your audience, and this PPT is a full of text, full of figures. Okay, if you will see this type of PPT slide in front of your audience, so your team members will say, oh my God, this is a PPT which the boss is showing. It is a full of data, full of text, and unnecessarily they will create some pressure. But due to the business prerequisite, you have to show this slide in front of your audience. Audience can be anyone, right? So once you will show this slide in front of your audience, you don't directly start ki, hey guys, this is a slide, this is a data which I'm going to share with you, blah blah blah, this is a full of data. No, don't say with this thing. You just show this slide, take a pause, and then you can say, hey guys, don't worry, there is no quiz after this slide. स्लाइड दिखाना है, स्लाइड को आप ओवरकम नहीं कर सकते. You cannot delete this slide because this is a business prerequisite. This is very essential, but don't say in a boring way. Please listen, please pay attention to me. This is very important. Okay, don't say this. You can say, hey guys, this is a slide, and don't worry, there is no quiz after this slide. Right? So audience will listen you, and then definitely that was a moment where you can easily break the ice. Picture abhi baki hai mere dosto. This is just only the trailer. ठीक है, you can also say, are you just Mohammed Rafiq? Are you getting this thing? Mr. Mohammed? Okay. So then you can also say one slide. Suppose karo, there are the 10 slides in the pipeline. So after showing the one slide, you can say, picture to abhi baki hai mere dosto. This is just a slide trailer. Okay, so audience can easily mentally prepare ki, acha boss, abhi to there are so many slides which we need to learn. Okay. So in this way, I have written. Suppose this is a team. This is a team meeting. You calling your team member. So don't say ki, hey, tomorrow you have a team meeting at 10 a.m. So be on time. No, you cannot give the threat to your team members. So then you can say, I promise. देखो team meeting आपको लेना ही है. This is mandatory. This is mandatory. But instead of saying कि okay, tomorrow you have a team meeting, what you can say, yeah, hey, I promise to keep this. Tomorrow you have a team meeting sharp at 10 p.m. And I promise that this meeting would be short and sweet, just like a small coffee breaks. Okay, that you can say. Thanks for joining today's meeting. This meeting don't feel like the Monday morning, because Monday morning are very boring according to the corporate culture. Okay, suppose you are team meeting, you are taking a team meeting with all the team members, and team members are not willing to say anything. So what you can say, hey, don't just sit like mummies. Please share your thoughts. Mummies, you know what do you mean by mummies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Dead body.
Dead bodies. Yes. So don't say, we cannot say,
Dead
no,
body.
don't sit like dead bodies. We can say, hey, don't sit like mummies. Just share and open your thoughts. And you can also say, hey guys, this is not a Netflix show. Okay. Just unmute yourself and share your thoughts. Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
My favorite is Netflix. You can take your favorite. Suppose you are taking a virtual meeting, online meeting. So then in that case, you can say, hey guys, please turn on your cameras and smile occasionally so that I get to know whether you are awake or sleep. Or don't want to use this word sleepy. You can say, hey guys, please turn on your camera and smile occasionally so that I get to know whether you are awake or not. Don't say ki, hey guys, please turn on your camera. Like for example, Dharam, Raj, Ashok, Gauri. Okay, there are so many, Morgan, Ajanta. Okay, so we cannot say ki, hey guys, please turn on your camera. You can say, guys, please turn on your camera occasionally and make a little bit smile so that I get to know ki whether you are awake or not. Okay, done? Suppose teachers. How many of you are teachers in this batch? Teachers. Okay.
250. I think 180.
Okay.
Maybe.
Suppose. Okay. Yes. Okay. Suppose you are a teacher. Okay. And you are talking with your student. You know, student handwriting is very bad. Being a teacher, what we can say, oh my God, what a handwriting you have. Such a bad handwriting. No, never ever say these types of quotes in front of the students. So how you can say, oh my God, your handwriting is so creative. Even I cannot read a single word.
Just like a doctor.
Just like a doctor. Yes.
ओल्ड टीचर्स बोलते थे आप लिखे खुदा बाचे.
Very nice. Very nice. So in this
कभी-कभी ये भी बोलता है कि आपका हैंडराइटिंग फ्रेम करने का है.
Frame करने का है. Very good. Very good. Your handwriting is so creative. Even I want to frame it.
Yeah.
Okay? But whatever you are framing now, voice modulation should be there. Voice modulation. किसको pitch करना है किसको और एक smile होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the different scenarios. Suppose करो parents and teachers. Suppose करो parents and teacher meeting है. Parents and teacher meeting है. And teacher is saying कि ma'am, your child doesn't do any work. Doesn't do any work. No. Don't say. Suppose the parent is coming to you, Meenakshi, in the PTM. Never ever say कि your child is doing nothing. Always say, ma'am, your child is so creative. And he always finds a new way not do anything. ठीक है वो नए रास्ते ढूंढता है कि कुछ भी ना कर पाए. Even your child is so creative. If you will say this now, ma'am, your child is so creative. Parents as well as the child is also love to listen. अच्छा मैम ने creative word बोला है मेरे लिए तो. और उसके बाद अपना पंच लाइन बोलो. भाई creativity किस लिए? Why there is a creativity?
कुछ ना करने के लिए.
कुछ ना करने के लिए. इतना creative है कि he always finds a new ways of not doing anything.
We can say that, no, ma'am, he is very busy. He is like a busy for nothing.
Yes. नहीं देखो nothing but जो हो गया ना वो again it is a
Negative.
Nothing but negative हो गया. हमें कुछ भी चीज negative नहीं. Right? Your ma'am, see the progress card of your child. It's just like a roller coaster, ma'am. Sometimes up and down. Sometimes down. Sometimes up, sometimes down. Okay, so you can see. Now, guys, what is do's and don'ts? So, as I already told you, humor doesn't mean to crack the jokes. हमें laughter, हमें comedian, हमें Kapil Sharma नहीं बनना है. We always use the light-hearted jokes. Be natural. Okay, how you can be in the natural after practicing. Don't make the fun of others. You cannot make the fun of others. If you really want to crack some jokes, always take on yourself. ठीक है, don't try to be so funny कि भाई आप बहुत funny. No. And very important, guys, understand the audience culture. As I already told you, you must understand your audience culture. If you're talking with your boss, you should know what type of humor you have to inculcate. If you're talking to housewives, you should know what is the humor. If you're talking to youth, Gen Z, you should know what type of humor you have to include. You cannot go with the same humor with each and every audience. This is mandatory. Otherwise, Meenakshi, वो आपका क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा कि सामने वाले को तो हंसी नहीं आ रही. क्यों नहीं हंसी रही भैया? क्योंकि उसको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. Right? So that you should know. Okay, guys. चलो एक हम करते हैं. Suppose this is a serious situation. And most of the time we always say, you're always sitting on a couch. You know couch? Guys, you know couch? Sofa.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
In a serious mode, we always say, you're always sitting on a couch. No work at all. If you will suppose आपका बच्चा है, he is a 16 or the 7, Gen Z मैं लेती हूँ हमेशा, ठीक है, the child is sitting on a couch. And if you will say, you're always sitting on a couch, no work at all, just stand up and do something. Do you really think so? Your child will listen you and he will follow you? No. So Gulab, then in that case, देखो Gulab, being a parent, we have to say, But in this way, that definitely our child will listen. So how we can make this serious situation into the humorous situation, Gulab?
I will say,
हाँ
come here, we'll make some funny. As like you.
वो तो काउ से उठना ही नहीं चाहता ना गुलाब, आपके कहने से उठ जाएगा. That teenager doesn't want to stand from this couch.
So,
Bolo? Anyone?
Ma'am, you are always ready. You are always ready to do nothing.
ये nothing वर्ड से इतना प्यार क्यों है तुम लोगों को?
Oh yes, sorry, ma'am.
Nothing
We
Nothing. Yes. अच्छा, Shrushri has raised her hand. Yes, Shrushri. अच्छा भाई.
नहीं बेटा.
चलो और बताओ. Yes, Lata.
If you are sitting on a couch, the couch will slightly melt. So you will what?
Yes, then you have to stand up. Very good. Well tried, Lata. Very nice. Yes, Nirmala.
Can I leave you a soulmate?
Yes, Nirmala.
Can I leave you a soulmate sometimes?
Can I?
Can you leave?
Can I leave you a soulmate?
Can I leave? Acha, can you leave? Can you leave your soulmate?
Okay. Can you sell?
Acha, I thought Nirmala was saying, ma'am, can I leave your session?
No, ma'am. I enjoy your session.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Yes. Any more? Yes, Hetal?
Can you?
Yeah. Dear, can you please let your couch to breathe?
To breathe. Very good.
Ma'am, may I, ma'am?
Yes, please.
I think your couch is your bestie.
I think your couch is your bestie. Okay.
Madam, your couch is made of gold.
Your couch is made of
gold.
Gold. Do you really think so, Mr. Rajendra? जो Gen Z है, they love gold.
No.
तो ये हमारी जनरेशन थी जो हम गोल्ड को लव करते हैं. Gen Z नहीं करते लव को गोल्ड. So you have to think in this way. You have to think. देखो, see, whatever your audience is, Jairad, you have to think in that. Okay.
Ma'am.
Got it?
Got it.
So let's see. Okay, Tejas, can you read it? Unmute Tejas.
Laying on.
Yes, ma'am.
Lying.
Tejas, आज की क्लास में पढ़ना है ये.
Yes, humorous. Lying on a couch is an Olympic game. You will definitely bring some gold medal.
Tejas, you have to read in a humorous way.
Yes.
अभी तो आप ऐसे बोल रहे हैं surprising way है. Surprising way. Okay, Mr. Ghosh, can you read this? Yes, Mr. Ghosh.
You lying on a couch is an Olympic game.
Yes, if lying on a couch, yes, please speak.
You will definitely bring some gold medal.
Yes, if lying on a couch is an Olympic game, definitely you will get a gold medal.
We can say you can be a champion.
Yes, you can be a champion. Yeah. Okay, so I have written some serious as well as a humorous version, so you can read it. Your room is so messy. Arrange it properly. Suppose your room
So messy.
Messy, बहुत messy है. Arrange it properly. If you will say in this way, please arrange your room, the kids will not listen. They will say, Mama, Papa, if you have a free time now, you just do this task. Okay, so humorous way is this your room or an archaeological site? Do I call some scientist to discover it? Okay, so in this way, you have to say. Okay, you all need to participate more in the classroom. My favorite, guys, this is not a Netflix show. Feel free to unmute yourself and join the conversation. Even you can use into your professional also. Okay, so I have written some, you just go through it. Okay, the Bollywood dialogues, guys. Yes, the Bollywood dialogues also plays an important role if you really want to inculcate the humor. Okay, right? Lata, I'm using the Bollywood. You can also use your movies dialogues. Okay, right? Why Bollywood dialogues are very important? because through the Bollywood we can instantly connect. अच्छा guys, एक बात बताओ, why we sit in a 3 hours movies? Have you seen Dhurandhar?
Yes, ma'am.
कितने घंटे की मूवी है धुरंधर?
4
Yeah,
hours. For 4 hours.
4 hours से भी शायद ही लंबी
Approx.
होगी, अगर इंटरवल भी जोड़ दूं तो 4 घंटे 4.5 घंटे की मूवीज है.
Yes, ma'am.
So guys, have you ever thought कि we can easily sit in a long, more than 3 hours movie patiently, but it is equally tough to sit in a half an hour meeting. इन हाफ एन आवर मीटिंग बहुत टफ होता है, आधा घंटे की मीटिंग भी बहुत टफ होती है, लेकिन 4.5 घंटे की धुरंधर में हम बैठ जाएंगे. Why? Because through Bollywood we can easily connect. We can easily connect. ठीक है? It makes our people laugh without needing much explanation. हमें कुछ ज्यादा explanation नहीं करना. Like for example, जैसे मैंने बोला ना, all is well. Understood है. All is well का मतलब ही है to reduce the tension. Okay? So in this way we can use. So Bollywood dialogues also play the very important line, like for example, don't underestimate the power of the
Common man.
common man.
common man था. लेकिन
Chennai
what I have
Express.
changed, don't underestimate the power of a common
Common employee.
Okay?
Chennai Express.
हाँ. पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्तों. If you really want to give the
Ma'am,
motivation.
another one is आधा राइट जाओ, आधा बाएं, आधा दाहिने, बाकी मेरा पीछे से.
पीछे.
That is Sholay.
Okay. So that you can use, guys. That you can use. Just I think Meenakshi has used. बड़े projects. Suppose your team members have done some mistakes into their project. So you cannot be so harsh. We are all the humans. Mistakes can be done. So then you can say, बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स में ऐसी छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक्स होती रहती हैं, बट माय डियर टीम, प्लीज बी केयरफुल फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
So then in that case,
Next, don't underestimate the power of a teacher.
yes, power of a
एक बार समझा दिया ना तो समझ आ ही जाता है.
right. So now I'm giving some situations. Suppose you have to motivate someone after a setback. After a setback, you have to motivate someone. So what is a Bollywood dialogue?
मैम धुरंधर नज्र और सब्र. नज्र और सब्र पर
हाँ, वो लेकिन वो जो डायलॉग्स होते हैं ना, that should be coming naturally. मतलब it means you have to do lot of practice on that. Okay? ठीक है? हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. Okay? Asking for help or collaboration. Suppose करो Tarun, your boss has assigned one project to you. Okay? And you really want to take the help of your colleagues. So then how you can use these Bollywood dialogues if you really want to ask the help? ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर, or whatever is coming into your mind you can use.
Okay.
To reduce the tension or fear, what is the best dialogue you can use?
टेंशन देने का लेने का नहीं.
लेने का नहीं, देने का.
देने का. Or you can use all is well. All is well. When inspire someone to dream big and believe in the power, then what you can say? When you have to inspire someone कि बड़ा सोचो and believe in your power. So then what you can say?
कायनात भी जब तुम कोई शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे
तुम्हें मिलाने
हाँ. अब पढ़ो डॉली, इसको पढ़ो.
किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है.
ठीक है, लेकिन इसको बड़ा बॉलीवुड स्टाइल में, थोड़ा सा ड्रामेटिक स्टाइल में you have to say. Even if you will speak these type of inspirational lines to your kids, they will also start listening you. Instead of saying कि hey, this is a dream has come, now you have to do hard work, this is blah blah blah, no one will listen you. But if you will say in this way, so at least the audience will try to listen.
Edutainment, ma'am.
Yes, done. Acha guys,
Edutainment.
now this is an assignment. Now what is this assignment? Simple assignment है. Like for example, introduction मेरे को करना है. Introduction कैसे मैं करूँगी? Okay, I really want to get some names who have okay. Aviral. Your name is Aviral? Aviral, इसको जरा read करो.
Hello everyone, I am
I am Avril. I am
अरे मेरा ही
from.
नाम पढ़ो भाई, मेरा ही नाम पढ़ो, मेरी स्क्रिप्ट में मेरा ही नाम पढ़ो। हाँ
Hello everyone. I
हाँ
am Komal. I
हाँ
am from Delhi. I
हाँ
am a communication coach, and I am very excited to be here. I love meeting new people and sharing ideas. My goal is to keep thing engaging and meaningful. Let's learn, grow, and have a great time together.
ठीक है। क्या क्या लगा अब विरल पढ़कर इसको?
बोर।
है ना, बोरिंग सा
Formal
सिंपल सा
fun.
इंट्रोडक्शन है। ठीक है, हमें क्या करना है? ठीक है, कोमल मैम है, दिल्ली से है, कम्युनिकेशन कोच है, ठीक है। लेकिन अब टास्क क्या है? टास्क क्या है कि दैट हाउ आई विल कन्वर्ट दिस स्क्रिप्ट इनटू द
Humor.
ह्यूमर। ठीक है, एनीवन? ओके चलो, अब मेरा ये स्क्रिप्ट है। तरुण, I really I really want to hear from you if you read this second paragraph. तरुण, लेकिन वो ह्यूमर के साथ, सिंपल ब्लैंड रॉ फॉर्म में नहीं रीड करना।
I na start from beginning na ma'am.
सेकंड पैराग्राफ।
Second
Hey
paragraph.
everyone.
Enjoy. I enjoy sharing
नो
ideas.
नो, ओके नो तरुण। ओके, एनीवन?
May
May I,
I,
ma'am?
ma'am? May I, ma'am?
May I,
May
ma'am?
ओके ओके, अच्छा नहीं, रिंकू मनी
Yes.
अच्छा, आफ्टर
Yes.
दर्शन, रिंकू मनी।
Yes. Yes,
ओके,
ma'am.
यस, रीड दिस।
Hi everyone. I am Kamal and from Delhi. Delhi Dilwaloki. I am into a profession where I can make numbers into motivational speaker, and I am very thrilled to be here because I had no choice. I enjoy sharing ideas, checking jokes just to make sure that we all are awake. My goal is to keep things more engaging and most importantly, free of boredom. Let's learn, grow, and enjoy the roller
coaster
coaster
of
of
life.
life.
Okay, well said, very nice, very
Hey,
nice.
ma'am.
Yes, Darshan, same
Yeah.
paragraph, Darshan, but try to
Mhm.
use more humor.
Yeah. Hey everyone, I am Kamal from Delhi Dilwaloki. You know, Delhi is Dilwaloki. I am into the professions where I can make mumblers into motivation speakers. And I am very thrilled to be here because I had no choice. I enjoy sharing ideas, cracking jokes, just to make sure that we all are awake. My goal is keep things more engaging and most importantly, free of burden.
Yes,
Let's
yes,
learn,
yes.
grow, and enjoy the roller
Roller
coaster
coaster of life, right. But still, guys, I know
May
this
I,
is
ma'am?
okay, guys, this is a very new thing, but you have to use that energy level. Don't take so much pauses. ओके चलो, एक लास्ट डॉली से ले लेते हैं, डॉली का दिल नहीं तोड़ते हम। चलो डॉली, जल्दी से रीड करना। चलो।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ
Hey everyone, I am Komal and from Delhi Dilwaloki. I am into a profession where I can make bumblers into motivational speakers, and I am very thrilled to be here because I had no choice.
बिकॉज
Enjoy
आई
sharing.
हैड, सुनो डॉली, अब ये
Yes,
बिकॉज
ma'am.
आई हैड नो चॉइस को तुम्हारे को थोड़ा सा इसको स्लो डाउन करना है।
Okay.
I am very
Because
thrilled to be here because I had no choice.
I
And
had no
use the
choice.
gestures. Gestures use करो ना।
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ
I enjoy sharing ideas and cracking jokes just to make sure that we all are awake. My goal is to keep things more engaging, most importantly, free of burden. Boredom. Let's learn, grow, and enjoy the roller coaster of life.
Very nice. Now, guys, which seems to be more interesting? First one or second one?
Right one.
Second one. Lata, which seems to be more interesting?
Yes, ma'am.
Which seems to be more interesting? First one or second one?
Second one, ma'am.
Second one. So instead of saying ki, hi, I'm a communication coach, what I have written, I am into the profession where I can make the mumblers into the motivational speakers. Okay? I'm here. I'm very excited to be here because I had no choice. भाई घर पे किसी ने कुछ रोका नहीं था, कुछ कहा नहीं था, तो मैं चलो यहीं चलती हूँ। ठीक है? right? So you have to, now this is your homework, this is your assignment, that you have to make your script, your self-intro script into the humorous verse. Don't send your simple basic script. No. You have to send your script into the humorous verse. Got it? Don't write more than 5 lines. Write at least 3 to 4 lines, but that should be in humorous verse. Got it? Got it?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is an assignment which I am going to be posted into your batch. Okay, so what is the conclusion? Conclusion is that definitely if you are using the humorous, you will able to get more engagement, retention should be there, it reduces the stress and it enhances the creativity. Okay, and please listen, as he is my favorite, so because he is the best, I think so.
Humor.
Bollywood, he's using. Please listen कि
सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर हमेशा रखना जिंदगी में, हंसते हमेशा रहना, एक चाइल्ड लाइक इनोसेंस जरूर रखना। जैसे एक छोटे बच्चे की जो एक इनोसेंस होती है, जो उसका दुनिया की तरफ जो नजरिया होता है, बड़ा इनोसेंस सा होता है, उसमें कोई खामी नहीं होती, गलती नहीं होती, अभी दुनियावी बातें नहीं आई होती, तो वैसे ही रखना।
ओके, क्योंकि दुनिया का काम है कहना, लोग तो कहते रहेंगे। It is not easy to use this skill into your behavior, but if you really and you all have heard the 3 ego state. One is the child ego state, second is the
Parent ego state.
Parent ego state, very good. Third is the
Adult ego state.
Adult ego state. There are the 3 ego state: child ego state, parent ego state, and the adult ego state. So if adult ego state, and if you really want to develop this skill, so which ego state must be the supreme?
Child ego state.
Child ego state. बचपना, देखो हम सबके अंदर एक वो बचपना है, but due to the lot of responsibilities, due to the societal pressure, due to the LKK factor, लोग क्या कहेंगे, कहीं ना कहीं हमारा वो जो child ego state है ना, वो कहीं दब के बैठ गया है, right? So you have to उसको again you have to awake that child ego state. Then you can really develop this skill into your behavior. Okay, guys, so thank you so much.